Your energy levels are secretly controlled by tiny, bean-shaped dictators inside your cells, and if they're unhappy, you're headed for burnout, brain fog, and even a shorter lifespan. Let's talk about your mitochondria, the real power players in your body. Think of them as the overworked interns of your cells, turning pizza, coffee, and the occasional salad into the energy that keeps you moving. But here's the problem. When mitochondria get lazy or damaged, you feel like a phone stuck at 1% battery. And worse? Science shows crappy mitochondria speed up aging. Yep, weak mitochondria equals more wrinkles, slower recovery, and even a shorter life. Not cool. So how do these little energy factories go rogue? Blame stress, junk food, and plot twist, just getting older. After 30, your mitochondria start slacking off like a teenager after midnight. Studies say mitochondrial dysfunction is linked to faster aging, chronic fatigue, and diseases like Alzheimer's. That's right, your "why am I so tired" mystery might actually be a mitochondrial mutiny. But here's the good news, you can upgrade them. Just like a car runs better with premium fuel, your mitochondria thrive with the right stuff: CoQ10, PQQ, and L-carnitine. These aren't just fancy acronyms. They're like Red Bull for your cells, helping mitochondria multiply, repair, and pump out energy like they're getting paid overtime. That's why I'm obsessed with Mitochondria, a mitochondrial supplement packed with these powerhouse ingredients. It's like giving your cells a 5-star spa day instead of leaving them in a fast food drive-thru. Users report sharper focus, way more energy, and even better workouts, because when your mitochondria are happy, you feel unstoppable. If you're tired of feeling like a zombie by 3 p.m. or worrying about your long-term health, it's time to power up your cells. Click the link below to try Mitochondria and start fueling your mitochondria the right way. Your future, energetic self will thank you.